ASUS Router Overheating Issue, Placement and Cooling Tips. Step 1. Ensure proper ventilation and airflow. Make sure your ASUS router is placed in an open area with plenty of space around it. Avoid enclosing it in tight cabinets, drawers, or behind other electronics. Good airflow is crucial for dissipating heat. Step 2. Elevate the router for better circulation. Elevating your router slightly can significantly improve airflow underneath it, where many devices have vents. You can use small risers, a stand, or even just bottle cups under its feet to create a gap between the router and the surface it's on. Step 3. Keep away from heat sources and direct sunlight. Avoid placing your router near the other heat-generating devices like TV, stereos, or computers. Also ensure it's not in direct sunlight, especially during hotter parts of the day, as this can significantly raise its internal temperature. Step 4. Clean dust from vents regularly. Over time, dust can accumulate in your router's ventilation grills, blocking airflow and trapping heat. Regularly use a can of compressed air to clear any dust from the vents and openings to ensure unimpeded circulation. Step 5. Consider external cooling or USB fan. For routers that consistently run hot, you might consider an external cooling solution. A small USB-powered fan can be placed near or under the router to actively blow air across its surface, significantly improving cooling performance.